Hello students. So today we're going to continue the chapter that is coordinate geometry of standard 10. So this is the question number 4 from practice set 5.3. So if A is equals to, that is 1 minus 1, these are the coordinates of A, B 0 4 and C minus 5 3. So these are the vertices of triangle. Then we have to find out the slope of each side. So you are given the point that is A, that is 1 minus 1, then B, that is 0 minus 4, and the C minus 5 and 3. So we consider it as x1 y1. So first we're going to find out the slope of AB, after that slope of BC, and then slope of AC. So first AB, so we consider that is it is x1 y1 and x2 y2 by using the formula for finding the slope. When 2 points are given, it is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Just we're going to put down this value and we get the slope, that is minus 5. And second one, that is BC, again the same formula we have to use, that is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So 3 minus 4 upon minus 5 minus 0, so we'll get minus 1 by minus 5. So minus minus plus, we'll get 1 by 5. And then slope of AC, that is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, that is 3 plus 1 upon minus 5 minus 1, that is 4 upon minus 6. So we'll get here 2 upon minus 7. So these are the slope of AB, BC and AC. Now the next question, that is question number 5. Show that the points, you are given the 4 points, that is A, B, C and D, and we have to show that these are the vertices of parallelogram. So all of you know that is the definition of parallelogram, that is the opposite sides of the parallelogram are parallel and parallel sides having equal slopes. So you are given the 4 points, that is A, B, C and D. So in this example we have to show that is the opposite side slopes are equal. So first slope we are going to find out, that is AB. Again we have to consider it as a y2 minus y1 and x2 minus x1. So using this formula we are going to find out the slope of AB, BC, CD and AD, and using the same formula. So see carefully. So we will get that is the slope of AB is 3, BC is 1 by 3, CD is 3, and by using the same formula we get the slope of AD is equals to again 1 by 3. So here we get that is the slope of AB is equals to slope of CD, and so these two lines are parallel. Slope of AB is equals to slope of CD. So AB and CD are parallel. Similarly here the slope of BC, so we get the answer, that is 1 by 3, and the slope of AD is also 1 by 3. Slopes are equal, so the sides are parallel. So opposite pairs are parallel, and so the given quadrilateral is a parallelogram. Now the next question, that is question number 6. So find K if R, that is 1 minus 1, S minus 2K, and the slope of line RS is minus 2. Means we are given the coordinates of these R and S. Also we are given the slope of RS, that is minus 2, and you have to find out the one of the coordinate of this S. So slope of RS, first we are going to find out the slope of RS. So it is x1 y1 and x2 y2. Using the formula, that is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. Just put down the values, that is y2 is k minus minus plus 1 upon minus 2 and minus 1. So we get here, that is k plus 1 upon minus 3, and you have already given the slope in the example, that is minus 2. Just we put down the here value. Now taking cross, we'll get k plus 1 is equals to minus minus plus 6, and so by moving this 1 to this side we'll get the value of k as a 5. So question number 6 and question number 7 are almost same. So we have to solve this question number 7 as like this example number 6. Now we are going to find out the question number 8. Question number 8 is, that is find K if the PQ is parallel to RS and P having coordinates 2, 4, Q that is 3, 6, R 3, 1 and S 5, K. So again you are given the 4 coordinates and you are given that is PQ is parallel to RS. So you have to remember that is if the lines are parallel, they are having same slope. and we have to find out the k. So you are given that is PQ is a parallel to RS. So the parallel lines having equal slopes. So we're going to find out the slope of PQ as well as slope of RS, and since the lines are parallel, the slopes are equal. So slope of PQ. So here see, we consider this PQ, that is P is x1 y1 and Q is x2 y2. So using the formula, that is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So we have to put down the value, that is 6 minus 4 upon, that is 3 minus 2. Here's the slope of R is x1 y1 and S is x2 y2. So k minus, that is y2 minus y1, k minus 1 upon 5 minus 3. So 6 minus 4 we get here 2, and 3 minus 2, that is 1. K minus 1 upon 2. So by taking the cross multiplication, that is 4 is equals to k minus 1. Now we have to move this 1 to this side, so we'll get k is equals to 4 plus 1. So k is equals to 5. So this is all about the chapter coordinate geometry. So here we finish the chapter coordinate geometry. So in the next lecture we will see the next chapter. Thank you.